Is your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6E router not turning on or showing any LED lights? Don't panic. First, check the basics. Ensure the router is plugged into a working wall outlet and that the AC adapter is securely connected to both the router and the outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's providing power. Examine the AC adapter for any physical damage like frayed cords or a loose connection. If the outlet and adapter seem fine, try power cycling the router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. If still no lights, it could indicate a hardware failure, especially after power surges common during storms. If you experienced a recent hurricane, this is even more likely. Contact Spectrum support for a free replacement under warranty if these steps don't work. Remember, DIY repairs can void your warranty, so it's best to let Spectrum handle diagnostics and replacements. If your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6E router has power, but the LEDs are blinking amber or red, it signals a problem. A solid white LED typically means normal operation. Blinking colors usually indicate connectivity issues. Check your router's manual or Spectrum's website to identify the specific meaning of the LED pattern. Also, Wi-Fi 6E requires compatible devices to connect correctly. Older devices might not work, creating the illusion that the router is broken. Try connecting with a Wi-Fi 6E compatible device, like a modern smartphone or laptop. Interference can also cause issues, so keep the router away from microwaves or other electronic devices. Finally, consider using the Spectrum app for remote diagnostics. It can often pinpoint the problem. If problems persist and you want to avoid waiting for Spectrum support, visit user forums like Tom's Hardware or Reddit's r/Spectrum for community-driven solutions. However, always prioritize Spectrum's official support to avoid warranty issues.